You don't realize how vital the hand is until you don't have one. You use your hands in everyday life, and yes, we can give people their ability back to have activity physically with athletics and things like that, but it's really rewarding to get people back to picking up their child or doing their favorite household activity like gardening. I started out in the urgent care, and a lot of what I took care of was hand fractures, elbow dislocations, hand lacerations, and I found that all so exciting, and that's what really drew me to orthopedics in general. Biggest thing to me is patient education. I want to give you all of the information that you need to make an educated decision for your goals. I was born in a small town in Michigan. I moved to Oklahoma for PA school in 2020. Decided I really loved it out here. I loved the weather. I liked the snow days and was still terrified of tornadoes, but decided to stay. I love to spend some time over at Lake Hefner with my dogs. I have a Labradoodle and Aussie Doodle, and got my fiance to move out here and follow me, and now we've made it our home. How can I help to get to know the patient, getting you to where you want to be?